Alright guys, so today we're gonna be reacting to how Germans react to ambulance sirens. I saw this video right in my feed and I said, you know what, let's just give it a chance and let's just look at it. It seems a lot of people have been recommending this video, and especially there's a couple guys reacting to this video. It seems like it's very wow, supposedly. So I don't know is there a different way you should be reacting to a siren? You see what I'm saying? So let's see what's going on here. Make sure you like and subscribe. We're just gonna jump in right away. Let's go. Here we go. That's a hard traffic though. That's hard. That is a hard traffic, man. You better move out of the way. Yep. Oh, so I see. A lot of people already moved even before the ambulance was close enough. Very nice, citizen. Look at that truck. How in the hell that truck's getting put? Give a lot of space. That's rough though. I'm telling you right now, that truck. A little bit. There you go. They made it happen. Good. Good. So they all parked, you see? Very good. Everybody parked. Ooh. Is that right here? There we go. Nice job. Got to their point, yeah. Hey man, hey, shout out to the Germans, man, for doing a good job. Um, eh, honestly, I just saw a citizens doing the right thing. Citizens doing the right thing. It seems like the Germans are clear to understand priorities when it comes down to saving or protecting their neighbors. So they did the right thing. They moved to the corner, doing what they need to be done. And in the United States, in some states, it's illegal not to give pass to the ambulance. So you always have to just park to the corner and just. I've seen things like this very similar, not to that magnitude where you have just a couple yards down the roads where you see cars already moving to the side, right? I personally move to the side myself. I always give pass to the ambulance. Uh, it's very nice to see that Germans understand the importance of protecting those that are in need and help, and I'm glad that's something that they practice in Germany. I don't know if some countries do it. I know the United States we do it, and maybe you're in New York City or something like that. You might do the argument that they might be a little bit crazy, but I've seen even in New York City people moving to the side when the ambulance pass by. So I think in this case it was a very special situation where the German people decided as a collective move to the side to protect the person that needed help in that moment. All right. So how Germans react to ambulance sirens? Like they should. I don't know. You guys are supposed to react different. I'm kind of confused here. Uh, Maybe there's a different way some European countries do it. I would like to see how Italians and French do it. Or any Spaniards or even the English. How do you guys do it? You guys just stay in the road or what's going on? What was the? I'm guessing is that because there was a lot of cars, they managed to make it happen where the ambulance was a priority. I guess. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. Hey, good for you guys. Good for you. You guys have your head in the right shoulder. All right, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I might be capping here. I may be tripping. Uh, am I missing something here in this video? Because I'm not good here pretending that that's something. No, I'm not. I want to see what you guys think I'm missing here in this video, right? I would like to know. In the meantime, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.